Hey guys, we got her glued up. It's been clamped in here. Oh, we take her out. It's been clamped in here for a couple hours now. I had to use the, I don't know if I mentioned this. I don't know how many videos I've done, but I had to use the filler that we make ourselves instead of the crazy adhesive they use on the helicopter blades. As you see, there's not a lot of it left. It's probably was enough to do what I did here, but the mixing tip is 6 inches long, so it wouldn't have got through the mixing tip. So it's okay, just as good, I guess, for what we're doing here. Is we've glued that pre-made piece on there. Man, that thing is really stout now. She's super good and strong. You can see where we're pressed down pretty good, where it filled in, where the old crack is here, and the other crack here, so that's good. So far, so good. We left it a little long on the outside, like we mentioned in the other video, so we can build up that edge that we ground down that was all busted up, right? So we got one nice uniform edge all the way around. I guess tomorrow what we'll do is we'll fill this stuff in here and here, and then we'll go ahead and once it hardens up and knock this whole surface down where it's going to be, and then we'll do our final surface finishing, and maybe we'll scuff the whole thing down and just throw a quick prime on it and a spray bomb for Jack, and then I think we're done. I don't think we really need to do much more on the inside. I think it's I think the repair is pretty much done. So so far so good. Well, we might have to do just a little bit in here where we didn't have any return flange, right, where it's missing in action there and here. So we might just throw a little glass, a little filler, a little glass, you know, just to just because, you know. But that's it. That's it for the side pod for today. Sherry just come out and brought the new radiator, so we'll hook up another video real quick with the new radiator. But that's it. Side pod work. Plugging away. Bless y'all.